Hi, first graders. I hope you guys are feeling okay, and I'm looking forward to you guys being back in school next week. Even though you're not in school, we still have art today. We still have to keep learning, keep creating. So we have 4 things on our list today. The first thing is to talk about our goals and how we're going to meet on Google Meet at 1:35. I'll remind you in a few minutes. Second, we're going to quickly review warm and cool colors. We talked about those last week. Just want to refresh your memory. And third, we have our drawing activity for today. We were going to do a smaller version in class, but since you are not in class and you don't have your projects, you can go a little bit bigger today. So you'll have some art time. And then number 4, clean up your art materials and be ready to be on Google Meet at 1:35, please. We have 4 goals today. Our first goal is that you can use one group of colors to create a work of art. Our second goal is that you can sort warm and cool colors. You know the difference. Our third one is that you can go slow and have good craftsmanship, which means you put effort into your work. You're not just doing it really, really quickly. That's really important. And then last, you can use technology to connect with your peers, your classmates, and me virtually. For our Google Meet, I can't post the link because in the past I've had problems with it not working. So if you look on Google Classroom, there's that rainbow banner. It's like paint splatters, and it'll say Mrs. Bergan in it. In there, there's a thing that says Meet Link. You're going to click that. If you look at the picture down below, those arrows that are pointing to it, same thing. You'll see it on Google Classroom. Click that at 1:35. So from 1:35 to 1:45, I'm going to be on Google Meet to see your artwork, to answer any questions you have, that type of stuff, okay? Quick review of what happened last week. Last week we did a few things. First, we talked about primary colors. Remember, we have 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. They can't be made. So if I'm out of yellow paint, I'm out of yellow paint. But they make all the other colors. That's why they're so incredible. Primary colors make our secondary colors. So 2 primaries, we get a secondary. Orange, green, and purple are our 3 secondary colors. But you guys know that since we painted our fish. We also talked about warm and cool colors last week. So I want you to take a moment and think about what are the warm and cool colors. So think, there are 3 cool colors. See if you can name them. Now there are 4 warm colors. See if you can remember what those were. Hopefully you got all 4. So quick review. Our warm colors are pink, yellow, orange, and red. And then our cool colors are blue, green, and purple. For today's activity, I'd like you to you can either use 1 regular size piece of paper and cut it in half, or use 2 pieces of paper. But you're going to make 1 drawing that's only warm colors. It can be a drawing of anything. It can be a drawing of you, your dog, your cat, outside, doodles, but only warm colors for drawing number 1. Put that one to the side. Then you're going to do a second drawing. That drawing is only cool colors. So drawing number 1, only warm colors. Drawing number 2, only cool colors. Did I say that? 1 warm, 2 cool. Hopefully I got that right. I want you to bring these drawings to school with you when you get back because we're going to glue them in your sketchbook. And of course, I want to see them on our Google Meet at 1:35 so you guys can show off your artwork. It'll be really cool. Okay, so set your alarms, 1:35. I will see you on Google Meet. You find the link on Google Classroom. And that should be good. Okay, I will see you guys soon. Have fun.